अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, अस्सलाम वालेकुम viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video, cakes and Christmas centerpiece decoration ideas I will share you friends. So friends, let's start today videos. A natural cake stand Christmas centerpiece. Today I am turning a simple cake stand into a plastic Christmas centerpiece filled with nature warmth. I start with the stand, clean shapes and upgrades layer by layer. Green texture, footstones, and soft lights, pincones rest softly on top. Berries speak thought, and tiny ornaments shimmer in between. It feels like a winter forest display, beautiful on a pedestal, claiming earthly and wonderful, festive, sparkling claim. Christmas cake stand centerpiece. This cake stand centerpiece is all about soft, glamorous, and a golden stand, glowing candles, glittering ornaments, and creative, the perfect festive shine. The ambulance height make every detail stand out, from the tiny lights to the elegant ornaments. A touch of Christmas magic for your holiday table and viewers. And friends, Christmas cake stand centerpiece. There's something so Christmas about decorating with height. And cake stands give you the perfect little stage to your own Christmas moments. Today I am creating a centerpiece that feels warm, magical, and beautiful. It's all on a simple cake stand. I begin with the base of the stand, left graceful and perfectly balanced. That little bit of height instantly make the centerpiece feel special, like a Christmas display evaluate just to catch the eyes. Then comes the greenery, soft pins, branches, tendrils, pieces, stems arranged loosely so they fell around the edge with a natural following look. The deep green brings that fresh winter charm and set the tone for everything else. Now I add the ornaments, some big, some small, red for warm, gold for elegance, and maybe a touch of white or passions for softness. As I place them, they create a mix of spark and colors that feel festive without overwhelming the space. That settles in the little details, pincones, berries, dry orange,